1.19 times in a year. 1.19 times. If you look at other distribution utility, no, for example, VECO dun sa Visayan Electric Company, 2.53 yung kanilang SAFE. Yung sa Dagupan Electric Corporation o DECORP, 3.89. And then yung Davao Light and Power, ito mataas, 8.47. May mas mataas, pataas ng pataas to, yung Panay Electric Company, 10.49. Yung Sepalco, Cagayan Electric Power and Light Corporation Incorporated, ito yung pinakamataas, 12.94. Ngayon, puntahan naman natin yung isang metric system na ginagamit for their performances, no? Yung SAIDI naman, SAIDI, or System Average Interruption Duration Index. Ito naman yung mga customers experiencing a total of 123